Hello, my dear millions. Today I want to make an interesting episode about trading with GPT-5. Look, I created a special prompt for GPT-5 and made a separate tab for it. You can pause the video and take a look. There are 10 points that I included in this prompt, so GPT knows what to rely on when analyzing charts. I've shared this prompt inside a special folder called Trading with GPT. Then I send GPT 5 different charts, usually 5 cryptocurrencies that interest me the most, and I also add Bitcoin dominance. So GPT's task is to choose one trade from those 5 cryptocurrencies, the one it sees as the most promising. I take all the charts from TradingView and make screenshots there. This one, for example, is the Bitcoin dominance chart. What can we say? Dominance is rising a bit, but still below 60. That's good, although it's still quite high. Ideally, we'd like to see it bounce down from this level and continue lower. Next, we have Ethereum's chart. We're a bit above the 200-day moving average, looking pretty solid actually. Then comes Bitcoin's chart, also slightly above the 200-day moving average, which looks good for continued upward movement. After that, HBAR, also above the 200-day line. Then Link, which has moved up strongly. And the last chart I sent to GPT is Dogecoin. It's right on the 200-day line, but still slightly above, so it might go higher as well. So what did GPT choose among these 5 charts, taking Bitcoin dominance into account? It went through all the cryptocurrencies I sent and concluded that the most interesting setup within the range of 1 day to a week is LINK/USDT. Here are the parameters of that trade and GPT's explanation of why it picked this particular asset. If you want, you can pause and read the reasoning in more detail. It's actually great that GPT supports its choice with logic and explanations. But to keep the video short, I've already opened this trade. Let me show you. I'm trading on a demo account for now, just testing this strategy. Here we click on perpetuals, then type in LINK. My leverage is 3 times. By default, it's usually 10 times. I set the position size to 1000 USDT and then add take profit and stop loss levels. Take profit 21 USDT, stop loss 17.4 USDT. GPT actually suggested entering on a pullback around 18.4 USDT, but I didn't want to wait and opened the trade at the market price. We're not far from the range GPT recommended anyway. Because I entered at market, the distance to take profit is only slightly larger than to the stop loss, which isn't ideal for risk management. Normally the take profit should be at least twice the size of the stop loss. Still, I think it's a good trade and I decided to take it. Then we press long, check everything, and confirm. I've already opened the trade, so I won't press OK again. What I like about this interface is how clearly it shows everything. The entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels. I'll continue testing and improving this strategy. So subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and as always, happy trading everyone. See you next time.